Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue in 2026. So, if your device connects to Wi-Fi but you can't browse, stream, or work online, this step-by-step guide will help you get back online quickly. First, try the simplest fix. Restart your router and the device you're using. Yeah, turn the router off, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. Then restart your laptop, phone, or tablet. Next, check your device's IP and DNS settings. Make sure it's set to obtain IP and DNS automatically. You can also try setting Google DNS, which is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. If the issue persists, forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect. This resets the connection and can fix authentication or configuration problems. For Windows users, run the built-in network troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, click Troubleshoot, and follow the prompts to detect and fix problems. If nothing works, try resetting your network settings. This will remove saved Wi-Fi networks, but often solves persistent issues. Finally, check if your router firmware is up to date and confirm there's no outage from your internet service provider. Yeah, sometimes the problem is on their end, and that's it. These steps should fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue. Once you try them, you should be back online in minutes. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more tech tips.